Demolition Monday. Hi! So, continuation from this morning. It's the 12th of February. What's up, Tiny? And look, no chimney. Hi. They've also taken out the shower head and the bits and bobs from there. And I knew there was birds nesting in here, but look at this. This is like years of birds nesting. Tiny little shells, loads of moss, little feathers, and whatever beasties that is. And yeah, that's the end so far of the work to demolish the little outbuilding. So yeah, look how shiny this is. Yeah, so the chimney's gone, and they're going to come back in a couple of days, remove this part. They've already taken the windows out there, and then knock down that as well. Bella, what you doing? She knows it's almost time for treats. Go and put the birds to bed. And oh yeah, this is the one and only glass roof tile that came off the original lean-to. You see I've got the plastic panels in there, but this is quite rare apparently, so I've been trying not to break it. There's the old shower head. Fancy. Right, a bit more work, put the birds to bed, a bit more work, and then done.